mean, like, what am I supposed to do? I'm not going to risk myself to getting a vaccine where I'm going to get sick and die.
As Manitoba opens its borders for travel and works towards easing health restrictions this summer, the concept of a vaccination passport to access businesses and travel without having to isolate raises questions for those who have been advised they can't get the jab for serious health reasons.
I just think it's unfair for sure that, you know, like, I know they're pushing this vaccine and want so many numbers, but there's going to be the people that are sick and unhealthy that still cannot get it.
Donovan Harmon says he has been advised by his doctor not to get the COVID-19 vaccine due to medication he's on for a pre-existing health condition. Harmon feels left out, and he's worried he won't be able to do the things he loves when freedoms get restored for others who are vaccinated in the country.
I think it's unfair in that way to make me feel like I'm an outcast.
Before you judge someone for not taking the vaccine, I'd say you should listen. Listen to them because they might have a reason why they can't take it. That is real.
Stephanie Siemens has multiple food and drug allergies and says her doctor advised her the risk of getting the vaccine is greater than the risk of COVID. Siemens is following her doctor's orders, but feels allowances need to be made for people with allergies to the vaccine who won't be able to get the passport. She wants to still be able to participate in activities once health orders relax.
It would really hinder us in a long ways because we do want to travel. We do want to see family and friends. We do want to do everything that everybody else is doing.
If a patient has had an anaphylactic reaction where you have life-threatening symptoms to the first dose of the vaccine or to a component of the vaccine, we may suggest that the benefit does not outweigh the risk. And in that situation, we may suggest not getting the vaccine.
Dr. Harold Kim, past president of the Canadian Society of Allergy and Clinical Immunology, wants to be clear. If you have a food allergy, you should not be concerned about taking the COVID vaccine. However, if you are allergic to polyethylene glycol, which is in the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine, or polysorbate, which is found in the AstraZeneca vaccine, then he does advise you speak with an allergist about different options regarding the COVID-19 vaccine.
But in the vast majority of patients, we are able to suggest going ahead and getting the vaccine, or sometimes we give the vaccine in our specialized clinics where we can give the dosing kind of a little bit more until the patient can get the full dose.
As for Siemens, she plans to continue advocating for people like herself with medical reasons keeping them from the vaccine.
Just in hopes that, you know, the government will recognize that there are people that are not allowed to take it and, you know, like they have rights too.
A government spokesperson tells City News conversations around the vaccine ID are ongoing and any additional information on this issue will be shared when possible. In Winnipeg, Mark Neufeld, City News.